So in this video, we're going to focus on arrays. Now, an array is something that we use to store multiple things, multiple names of things, multiple numbers, multiple list of things. Okay, so for an example, we can have an array of colors. Okay, selected colors. So the way you see that this is an array, you will see with the curly brackets. Once you see a curly bracket, you must know that this is an array. So an array by default, you can leave it like this. This is what we call a empty array. So we can also have multiple inputs, like we said. We can have a color. Since it's text, we're going to use single quotations. We can have black. We can use a comma to separate these. We can have orange. We can have a comma to separate this. And we can have pink. Now we can have as much as needed. Okay, there's no limit. We can add as much color as we need. And same way, if we want to display something, we use console.log. And we just want to print out our selected colors. Now we need to add the square blocks to show that this is an array. Okay, so when we run this and we come here, we press F12. We save this. Okay, so now when we run this and we save this, you will see that we have three inputs here. We have black, orange, and pink. Now, in arrays, we start to count from 0. We don't count from 1, we start to count from 0. So meaning that this is not 1, this index, this is what we call index. So we have index 0, 1, 2. Okay, so we start to count from 0, and this is 1, and this is 2, etc. So now, if we want to add something to the selected colors, we can say selected colors. We want to add, since we already have something on the 0, we have something on 1, we have something on 2, we want to add on 3. So we can add on the third one, we want to add gold, for an example. So if we print this out again, save, you can see that now we have 4 inputs, and gold is now on the third index. Now we have some interesting things that we can do with arrays, such as getting the length of each array here. Like you can see here, we have 4. Now that's part of the dot notations within an array. So when we press dot, we can say we have all these things. We have push, we have map, we have for each, we have the length, we have join. So if we want to get the length, we just hit selected arrays.length. Now this will give us the length of the array. So as you can see, we have 4. So this is going to be helpful on the later stages when we get to the advanced parts of JavaScript.